I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend.
You know you left me lonely, I could tell them the whole story. It may take a couple hours, I've got time, let's get the chat. How could I explain the situation? Man, it's so damn complicated. Where do I start, where do I end? I should go back to bed. I'm going back to all the basics, teaching myself now how to erase it. It's like learning a whole new language, and I'm afraid, too scared to face it. I just want consistent clarity, but all my thoughts destroying me. Some peace of mind is all I need, give peace to all of my family. I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend. You think you are.
mayam tung tabda su agi weight se update tawjarake sina hojik sanaba loira kanda aina check tawjabani sanabada aina sing mayam thakre aduna weight katang dikena tawe du journey se start rock the 80 ga 3 something 84 almost 84 lebine hojik almost 82 ni.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home, 'cause you always try to hurt me and that's so low. When I talk to you about it, you're in defense mode.
Horok de yam sadaba calorie yam consume tawdabana fatigue se yamna en lei work manungda adu repeat katang improve tawre strength katang lakh male aduna se progressive overloading tam weight kitang normal hengkat naba na gan.
She got me hooked up.
Well, she pulling me in like a black hole, trapped in a grip and I can't break. Out of control and I can't feel my soul and my heart and my damn face. 'Cause I ain't be nothing without her. A king with no queen and no damn kingdom, serving up hate with a cold vengeance. Fuck, but I hate her, we can't slay them. Yeah, she's got me hooked, I'm down, I ride. Leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes. Yeah, she's got me shook, this my demise. I'm bleeding, can someone heal me? I can't deal with no more lies.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me on me.
I'm bleeding, can someone heal me? I can't deal with no more lies.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me hooked? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in.
try but can't get through to me. It's not you, yeah, it's always me. I close my heart to you, you see it opens up for nobody. It's been so hard to fall asleep. The weather always makes my nose bleed, makes my nose bleed. It's so hard to believe that one day I'll feel peace. I want control over my life, I want that driver's seat. Yeah, it's not you that I need. You push me down when I'm weak. You were never there for me. Go pick up your keys and leave. I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend. You think you're everything I need, but I gotta live.
Last three. Yes. Go. Yellow. Yellow. Yes. Go. Yes. Go. Yellow. Yes. Yes. Yellow. Yes. Okay, last one. Yellow. Yellow. Yes. Yellow.
By this time, I was completely exhausted. My arm just ripped off. I think my arms just reached failure. Dubu push down manamaram oiraga amamu hatsale, but it doesn't went very well, as you can see. Ma'am, thank you for all your love and support. Stay healthy, stay strong, and be a good person.